Hi guys, welcome back to Home Crux. My name is Priya and today we are going to make a Halloween garland using newspaper. So let's get started. First, I'm going to fold it and fold it some more. So it's going to be like 12 pieces, and then using a marker pen, I'm going to draw a ghost shape. And now I'm going to cut the outline. So now I have multiple ghost shaped newspaper cutouts. You can also use old magazines for this. I'm using an old newspaper. So now that we have this, take a side which is not very much covered with images and such, and draw some eyes. You can experiment with the shape of eyes in the mouth. This is a very easy and fun craft you can create with your kids. You can cut out the newspapers and they can draw the faces. These ghost cutouts with faces painted on them, and a dozen of these that don't have any faces. Now we are going to string them. In threading these you have to be very careful because paper is fragile and you may tear it if you use much force. So I'm going to alternate between the cutouts. So this is the pattern we are following. So this is our newspaper Halloween garland. It's a brilliant way to use old newspapers and recycled materials for decorations. So you save money and save the environment. Let us know if you try this at home. Happy Halloween!